Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mariana and she is
Erica.
Today we're gonna be talking about the mother functions. So let's take a sip. We're gonna start off with the linear function. So the linear function looks like a line, and the equation for it is f of x equals x. This means that for every x, the y is gonna be the same number. This is how it should really look like, and yeah, the domain is gonna be from negative infinity, which is right here, to positive infinity, and the range is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Next one is gonna be quadratic function. So the quadratic function looks like a U right here. And the equation for it is gonna be f of x equals x squared. This is how it should look like. And the domain is gonna be from negative infinity to positive infinity. And the range from 0 to positive infinity.
Okay. It's my turn now. We're gonna learn about the more difficult parent function. First, the name is reciprocal function, as you know. And it's the difficult one because the formula, it's kind of weird because it's f of x equals 1 over x. And then this function never touches 0. It approaches 0, never touches 0. Like that. The range is from negative infinity, as we see here, keeps going down, negative infinity to 0. But 0 has a parentheses because it's not included. And over here, for this one, the range is going to be from 0 to infinity. Because, and again, the 0 is not included. And then the domain for this one, it's from negative infinity to 0. Which again, the 0 is not included because it never touches 0. And the domain for this one is from 0 to infinity. Never touches 0, but it approaches it. Gets closer to 0, but never gets to 0. Fourth thing.
And the next one is gonna be absolute value. Okay, so let's make the graph. The absolute value looks like a V. And the equation for it is f of x equals the absolute value of x. This means that it is never negative. So as you can see, it never goes to the negative range. And the domain for it is gonna be from negative infinity to positive infinity. And the range from 0 to positive infinity.
Next, we're gonna do the square root function. This is an easy one to remember because the equation is f of x equals the square root of x. Of course. Okay. But this is the easy one because it never goes to the negative side in either way. It's always positive. As you can see in this graph, the domain is from 0 to infinity. The 0 is included because it's in 0 and it keeps going. And the range is from 0 to infinity because since it's the square root, it's negative, never negative, because whenever you square a number, it's always negative or positive. But whenever you do the square root, it's always positive. because you can never have a negative under the radical.
The next is gonna be cubic function. So let's see the cubic function. It's gonna look like a crooked line like that, and the equation is gonna be f of x equals x to the third. As we can see, the domain starts in negative infinity and it goes up to positive infinity. The range is from negative infinity to positive infinity. The exponent that it's 3, it means that you're gonna multiply that number by 3. Like let's say an example. For 2, you're gonna multiply 2 times 2 is gonna be 4. Times 2 is gonna be 8. So you will put it right here. 2 and 8.
That was it for today. I hope you liked it, and I hope you join us again with this excessively fun functions. Bye.
Bye.